Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see a strategy for the coming, the US elections in the November month series. So as you might know that there is something happening in the US, and there is no clear picture right now as of now that who will win. But as of now, Mr. Biden is going bit ahead of Mr. Trump, but we never know what will happen. So keeping that thing into mind, we see that there is a lot of volatility is going to happen in the month of November. So which you can say is like a very unexpected volatility may happen, because there is another pointer that Mr. Trump has told that he will go to Supreme Court for in this process, if the there are some constraints for him. I will not go into that details. Okay, but for us to understand is like the volatility will be huge in the month of November. So what we will do is like we'll create a strategy where we trade volatility. So whether the volatility goes up or goes down, that will give us profit. Okay, so for that we have to first see what I mean about the option Greeks, these things. Okay, so the volatility pointer over here is Vega. Okay, and others like delta, theta and gamma are the other option Greeks. So we will trade Vega. So that means Vega, whether it is plus or minus, we can get profit out of Vega. Okay, so as you might know, like there the other Greeks like delta, theta, gamma also affect the option prices. So what we will do is now we have to understand what are the effects of delta, theta and gamma, and then we try to lower their effects. Okay, so that like they will not harm anything in our trade. Okay, so first let's understand what is theta. So theta is morely associated with the time value of money, so time value of options. So day by day the option prices decrease if there is no volatility, or there is the market is sideways. Okay, so the theta value, the more the theta value on the positive side, like positive theta value means you will gain in option prices per day. Okay, so if the theta value is 1000, then you will get 1000 points, or you can say 1000 rupees profit whenever Nifty, your position, actually not only Nifty, your position, your strategy, whenever it stays in the same location, or there is no much volatility, then you will gain 1000 points. Okay, but if it is negative, then you will lose. Okay, like if it is negative, like minus 1000, then you will lose 1000 points. Okay, so what we can do is we have to minimize this theta. Okay, minimize, because we are going to trade minimize or positive. Okay, negative, we'll see that it should be much, as much less negative as it is, and or it will positive. Okay, in that way we'll minimize the effect of theta. Okay, then comes delta. So delta is again another option Greek, where you know uh, delta is like change in your PNL whenever if we consider delta of 50. Okay, then delta 50 rupees means you will gain 50 rupees when stock goes up by 1 rupees. Okay, your if Nifty moves 1 point, then plus delta plus 50 means you will get 50 rupees profit. Okay, so Nifty moves downward, and delta is plus 50, that means you will get 50 rupees loss. Okay, and vice versa. So if it is like delta is negative 50, and your option price your nifty goes in positive direction, then you will lose. Okay, but if nifty goes in positive in negative direction with minus delta, then you will get profit. Negative cancel. Okay, and yeah, so this is delta. So here also we don't have to take a risk. We are trading vega here, so we will minimize delta. Okay, or you can say delta neutral. Will make delta as 0 or very minimum. Okay, so that you can if you lose at all, then you lose very minimum. Okay, and your risk will be minimum. Okay, now gamma is not much of a thing. I mean, it is more crucial to the big investors. So gamma actually depends upon the delta. Okay, gamma has a dependency on delta. So it's like if the change in delta with change in stock price, then if delta increases, gamma will also increase. So that will be just a additional part of delta. So we can just ignore this part, and we will see that this price just stays near to 0. Okay, but we don't have to do much thing about that. Okay, so now you understood that for vega trading. Okay, so vega, I have not explained vega. So vega is like vega is volatility factor, and the more the vega, like if it is 1,000 points on the negative side, then also you will get profit, and it is 1,000 points on the positive side, then also you will get profit. Okay, so it depends on the IB moves. Okay, so the IV will take care of IV and vega, that will take care of themselves, and then you will be in profit. So if you trade only vega and make all these things as neutral almost, then you will be trading actually the volatility. Okay, so now let's move on, and we will make strategies right now for the entire November series with very low risk. Okay, so let's go. So I have opened for you the open interest chart. Okay, the open interest chart of nifty, and this one shows for the intraday chart, like this is November expiry chart. Okay, and yeah, so as you can see, if you go here, okay, you see 11,500 strike. There is a put open interest of 2.2 million. Okay, and in the higher side, I'm checking the longer buildings of put and call side. So in the right side, there is 2.5 million in the call side. Okay, so it is highly expected that nifty may stay in this range, 11,500 till 12,300. Okay, so what we can do is like we can make a strategy in which between 11,000 and 12,300, if nifty revolves around, then also we will not lose money, and will make some money if it moves with volatility. Okay, if it doesn't make doesn't move with volatility, then also we will lose very less money, and it is, I mean, there is chance that we may get profit. Okay, but since our strategy is trading the volatility, we have to minimize the effect of theta, as we have discussed. Okay, so now let's see what strategy we can make. So so this is the option chain. Okay, this is the option chain, and from open interest we saw that 11,500 and 12,300 can be a good range to trade. Okay, so 11,500. So what I did is okay, let me show you. Okay, yeah, so 11,500. Okay, so 11,500, we see the delta is the call side delta is 0.73. Okay, and what we can do is like we will buy this buy this call side option 11,500. Okay, 0.73. Now we will see near to 12,300 what is the put option price and what is the delta. So this is 0.73, and this one 12,300 is 0.74, so almost equal. And what we'll do is like we will buy this one. Okay, now this is our spread which we got from the open interest. Now what we'll do is like we will go and sell a deep in the money option. Okay, so deep in the money I can see 10,500. There is the premium is very high, so we will sell that. Okay, and the delta we have noted is 0.95. Okay, now we will see in this price 1421 and 0.95 what matches in the put side. So in the put side, as you can see 13,000 almost minus this one. Okay, this one 13,000 almost minus 0.96, but the price is bit lower, 1091, but it's okay till I mean there is not a bigger price difference, but the delta is almost similar. So what we'll do is like we will sell this one. Okay, so now let's see what are our option Greek prices. Okay, so as you can see the option Greeks, delta is minus 0.5, theta is minus 496, gamma you can ignore, almost 0, vega is 1014. Okay, so we are okay with the vega, we are okay with the delta, but we may not be okay with the theta value. Theta is minus 496. That means if Nifty doesn't move or moves in between these, you know, in between this one, this is 11,300 and 12,500 almost, then you will lose 483 rupees per day. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to minimize that theta value. Okay, so as you know, if we do a short selling, we will gain theta value. So what we'll do is we will go again to the option chain. Okay, and we will go to the December series. Okay, and in the December series we will see that which what can give us or what can help us minimizing the theta value, and where we can be guaranteed that we will gain the theta value. Okay, so now we will tell the extreme out of the money call option, that is 13,000 call. Okay, and we will sell one lot here. Okay, okay, so now the delta is 0.10, and we will see in the put side out of the money 0.90 or 0.10. So this one 10,500 we will sell. Okay, and this put delta is minus 0.09. Okay, so almost similar. Now we will again see what is our Greeks. Okay, so yes, so the theta value has decreased drastically from 400 something to 281. Okay, if you want to further, like, you know, further decrease it, well, you can do so by adding or maybe you can remove by adding actually two lots of 13,000 and two lots of 10,500, but we will do it in another way. Okay, that is bit too far. So 10,500 put will cancel, 13,000 call we will cancel for the December. Okay, and what we'll do is we will go and sell this one. Okay, 12,500. Okay, because the premium is 120 and it will help us minimizing our theta further. 12,500, 120.95 and 0.26 is delta. So 0.26 delta we will search here. 0.26. Okay, I see one in 11,300. Okay, and here it is 0.25 and the price is 159. So we'll sell that, and again we will analyze. Okay, so now we will see our theta. Okay, so now you can see the theta price drastically decreased to -108. Okay, and our Vega price also increased more, and it is 1218 rupees. Okay, so 108.8 theta you'll be losing out per day. Okay, and if Nifty stays in that range, and what is the range? If it stays in 11,280 and 12,500 almost. Okay, so now we will see what maximum loss we can make. So we can make maximum loss of 9,364, and the maximum loss here is 10,000. So 10,000 almost we will make maximum loss, provided it stays at this point. Okay, this point is 11,500. Okay, and it goes further, then our loss is decreased. It stays somewhere in the center, our loss is further decreased. But how much profit we will make if we go further? Like 14,000 we can make profit if it goes towards maximum profit, it goes towards positive side, 13,000. Or if it goes negative side, okay, then we'll make 15,000. So right now, as you can see, Nifty has rallied a lot actually already. So there is a high chance that it may fall down to correct. Okay, and if it corrects, then there is a chance that it will go further down. Okay, so if it goes further down, what will happen is this blue graph that will be dome shaped, it will go further up, because when Nifty will go down, because it is a volatile season, it will go down with a high volatility. Okay, so that will become dome shaped, and mostly parabolic shape, and you will get a profit. Okay, till the volatility exists. So more downside it will go, the more profit you will make. But if you are wrong, you are proven wrong, then it goes towards positive side, then also you will be making profit. Okay, you will not make loss in this strategy. And provided in the entire November series it stays between at least 13,000, below 13,000. Okay, and on the negative side, at least below 10,720 is there, but it may go further, 10,500 and all. I'm saying that the range. So mostly 10,500 and 13,000 13,100 or 200 will be the range to make profit in November series with volatility. Okay guys, so I think that's a pretty good range with a good amount of Vega value, and you can make use of this strategy. But do your own research and analysis before taking this trade. I will not suggest to take the trade based on my understanding and my suggestion. you have to take it based on your understanding and your suggestion. Okay. So that's it, guys, and wish you all the best in November series. Hope you make some money in the November volatility season. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Take care. Bye bye. See you later.